Hi, I'm Sean, and this is Carol. And today we are doing TikTok trends. And one of the most famous TikTok trends of them all that keeps going through is just fast food hacks.
Yes.
So today Carol's going to do a fast food hack, and I have to eat it no matter what. So Carol, what have you got for me?
Exactly. In the past, Sean's put the food together, and the other person, such as myself, has to eat it. So today we have turned the tables on him. This is a fast food hack based on Taco Bell products, and we have the famous Nachos Bel Grande here with absolutely delicious chips and refried beans and seasoned ground beef and the spicy nacho cheese sauce, and of course the low-fat sour cream, very important considering everything else that I'm doing to him today, and tomatoes. So what we added to that, I know the flavors are going to meld, but what I added to it just for a change of texture was the seasoned steaks. So we've got the steak on there now.
That's fancy. I've never added steak to that.
Yeah, we're adding steak to nachos. Yeah, that is kind of an upgrade on there here a little bit. Now, we're not going to tell Sean, but I tried one of these earlier, and they're delicious. This is the the Fiesta potatoes. Nice little bites of potatoes with also more nacho cheese sauce and more sour cream. And they are delicious. So we're going to add that. Today. Yes, you are. And lots of nacho cheese. All right. Actually, that looks pretty darn good. It's supposed to be on this camera.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. We'll switch. My bad. There we go.
How are they going to see how delicious this is otherwise?
It's hard being on the wrong side of the camera, guys. I'm normally on the other side when we do stuff like this.
Sean does the technical stuff most of the time. So he's really getting a treat today because not only is he on this side of the camera, but he gets to eat. But you notice he stuck a plate in front of me too. So I have a feeling I'm participating as well. So, all righty. And then, of course, you've got to have some sauce on it, and we're adding the hot sauce. Did not want to go Diablo or anything because we do have 2 nacho cheeses on there. So I like things spicy. I don't think Sean is quite as enthusiastic about it, so I'll hold back on that just a little bit.
Yeah, it's just the second one. You can put a little bit more.
Okay.
You can put a little bit more. I'll be all right.
So we'll go one more.
Okay.
Because there's a lot of nachos here to go for. Okay.
That's a big meal, Carol. I don't know.
It is a big meal. Like I said, I noticed that there are 2 plates. Now, what I really want is the avocado ranch sauce. Don't think I really talked about that, but I love avocado, and I can't wait to try that if he shares, but he may not share.
All right, yeah, go ahead and get some. We'll both try it. We'll let y'all know how it goes, okay? Let's see here. It's a lot to kind of rake out here.
Yeah, didn't think about getting a big serving utensil or something.
It's okay. It's a little heavy.
Yeah.
But we'll get it.
Looks good, though. It really does look good.
It's really good.
I'm going in for where I've got some hot sauce over.
I would have never thought of this combination. We'll get a little bit of ground beef there with it. Make sure I get the full taste of it, because I got a lot of steak. I didn't get much of the ground beef. I get a little bit more of that sauce, and I'm not sure I got a potato. So, okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm going for at the moment. I'm not sure I've even gotten into the ground beef yet. I'm kind of...
Yeah, I'm trying to find the ground beef, too. I think you got some of that
there. Yeah, there's, I've got ground beef and refried beans. Add a little bit of steak and a potato, and I probably got the perfect bite. But I also have the avocado ranch sauce. It was a sheer accident that I ended up with that.
You're already cheating. You're already tasting it.
Oh, yeah, that stuff is good.
All right, guys. We're going to take a bite and let you know what we think about it, okay?
Okay. I think really and truly you're supposed to pick it up, but hey, I'm already messy. Oh yeah.
That's pretty good. It doesn't taste like the Nachos Bel Grande normally does at all. I actually like the avocado pretty well. Potatoes good, steak's good.
Okay, I would order this.
I would order it. So if they want to make this, Carol, one we need to order again, it was just the Nachos Bel Grande?
Yeah, it's plain old Nachos Bel Grande, which is not plain, but anyway, it's the standard Nacho Bel Grande. added the steak, which is not that much. It's less than $2 for an ad. And then we added, or got the cheesy potato bites, which are less than $2 too. And then added the avocado ranch. And of course, you have the standard hot sauce with it. So under $10. So
Pretty good for under
Pretty
$10.
yeah, and it's going to feed two of us. Well, me anyway. So thank you very much. We do recommend this product if you want to go try that, and let us know what you think. And we'll see you on the next video.
All right, see you guys. Bye.